I can't wait to get mine. Let's see. Wow.
You got 2 things? Like me.
I'm not sure.
Wait, what'd you get?
These 2 cars. You can only look at them though.
Maverick GXT and Shokunin. Why is your Shokunin broken?
Oh, I don't know.
Your Shokunin's locked. Wait, it says tier 1.
You can only have a Shokunin.
Why only the Shokunin? I already have a Shokunin.
This is a normal one. Look, I get this card.
Okay, you can take it. I don't really have the Maverick anyways. After all, I did start playing in season 14. But why do I need another Shokunin?
Get out. I could get it.
You got it?
Wait.
I made it back.
Wait, I want to make my box bigger. There we go.
You're gonna make your box bigger and break it?
Nope.
What are you gonna do with it then?
Throw you in. And now this time I will lock it.
Bro, you gotta say stuff now.
Okay. Wait, I'll open the door. I'll open the lock to see what code I can add. Hey, I added a code with it though. Thank God for sis, Mom. I bet you win a death wall.
Highly likely did.
A single win. Where like you win?